Hello, my name is Riddhi Rajesh. I am the daughter of Shubha Rajesh, who is a nature cure practitioner and a certified naturopath. When I was around 6 years old, I found out that I had eczema and I started noticing a lot of rashes on my body, and it became very painful and unbearable from time to time. When I was told to do a skin intolerance test, which is basically like an allergy test, I found out that I had to avoid a lot of fruits such as apples and watermelons, tomatoes, etc. And I was also told to be put on steroids, which is obviously not healthy for such a young child. And this is when my mother thought that she should take things in her own hands. She started doing a lot of research and put me on a very natural diet for a couple of months. And after about 2 months, I saw immense changes in my body. My eczema cured, my skin started glowing, and in general, my eczema got cured. And that is the power of nature cure and nature healing.